Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking this video. So today guys, I'm in old Umuahia, in Umuahia, the Abia state capital, and I'm going to take you guys to Obakala from here. So guys, this place is not far. The roundabout you are seeing here, the junction over there on the right hand side, it's going to take you to Federal Girls, but we ain't going to take that route. We just keep going straight, and this is how this place is in October 2024. You can see everywhere is dry. If you notice, there are no much vehicular movements and not a lot of people are out here. And this is St. Silas Church. Yeah, that's St. Silas Church. One day I might see if it's possible for me to go in there and make video for some people that would love to watch the video to see how St. Silas is in the year 2024. So you can see, like I said, no much vehicular movement and no much people walking around. So kindly watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. If this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button as you are watching the video and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be among the first people to watch it. And if you are a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all a whole lot for always watching my videos. Please click the share button as you are watching this video and tell me what you think in the comment section. You wonder why you aren't seeing a lot of vehicles on this road and no much movement of people here on this road. Actually, I made this video yesterday, and if you live in the southeast, you would know what they observed yesterday and the day before yesterday. So this is the reason why you wouldn't see people or much vehicles flying through this road. Please kindly watch the video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. Don't end the video yet. I'm going to take you guys to Obakala. I'm also going to take you guys back to Ishikot, Aba Road, and then Olokoro Road. So kindly watch. Many interesting things ahead of you.